Hey there guys, we're just gonna do a short tutorial today on Lubing Boba U4 switches by Gazzew. They're manufactured by Atomo. Gazzew designed these switches. He explained to me this way of lubing. Basically what you're gonna do right here on the side rails, each switch on the inside there, just gonna put a little bit of lube right here and right here. Just about half a grain of rice width of a half a grain of rice. Camera to focus, you can see the little lube there. Then you can use your finger as a palette, something, put a little lube on the table, whatever you want to do. Basically just get you a nice little clump of lube there. You're going to dip your spring in there, just enough to cover the bottom. Now see how it is right now where it's all the way across like that? That is not what you want. You do not want it to be like that. You want it to be like this, where the spring is open. That's still kind of a little thick. You want it so the spring is open so that it doesn't get down in the little hole on the little, I don't know what it's called, the little hole where the spring sits. You want it to be open like that. Then you just drop it back in here, like so. Put your stem on. And grab your top here. Want to hold the stem down as you put the top back on. I probably should pull the gloves off to reassemble these, but hey, it is what it is. Hold the stem down, snap it back together. There you go. You've got it all lubed up and you're ready to go. So I hope this tutorial can help you out. I know it's not the traditional method of lubing, but it is the method that the designer of the switch recommends, so I feel like that's probably the best way to go. Thanks guys, have a good one.